As the sun dips low, let us find a moment to settle our hearts for the night. We turn now to the promise found in Psalm 91, a shield for this quiet time. He who dwells in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. May you feel the safety of His presence, surrounding you completely. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress. My God, in Him will I trust, in the deep stillness of the night. Let every worry be released into His care as we prepare for deep slumber. Consider the word that guards your steps until the morning light returns. Place your head down, knowing you are held securely in His plan. These promises remain steadfast, whether day or deep night. Let this be the final thought before sleep overtakes you. I am safe here. May the shadow of the Almighty be your deepest comfort now. Now, we transition to the waters of stillness to find true refreshment. Matthew chapter 11 speaks directly to those carrying heavy burdens. Come unto me, all ye that labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. A simple invitation is extended to lay down every weight you have carried today. Take my yoke upon you, and learn of me, for I am meek and lowly in heart. Relief is not earned. It is freely given to those who approach Him, and ye shall find rest unto your souls. For my yoke is easy, and my burden is light. Allow the gentle pace of His love to wash away all your fatigue. Rest is a divine gift waiting for you to simply accept it now. Breathe deeply and accept this promise of ease for your weary mind. May the comfort of Christ be the last thing your mind touches tonight. We now turn our gaze upward to the vast, peaceful canvas of the night sky. We look to Proverbs chapter 3, where ancient wisdom speaks of deep reliance. Trust in the Lord with all thine heart, and lean not unto thine own understanding. Release the need to figure everything out, allowing His perspective to take hold. In all thy ways acknowledge Him, and He shall direct thy paths in the dark. May the path ahead, though unseen, feel perfectly guided by divine hand. Do not be afraid of the unknown tomorrow. He has already mapped the journey. Lean not on your own tired thoughts, but on His infinite perfect knowledge. Let His direction be the one constant you anchor your spirit to tonight. Trust that every step you take tomorrow will be perfectly aligned with His will. Surrender your plans and accept the peace of His perfect timing. The forest now welcomes us with the cool, calm presence of dusk. Isaiah chapter 26 offers us the enduring concept of true peace. Thou wilt keep him in perfect peace, whose mind is stayed on thee. Let your thoughts settle and remain fixed upon His unchanging character. Because he trusteth in the Lord, he shall be established forever. May your inner world find its bedrock in His faithfulness tonight. The storm of the day cannot touch the peace established within your spirit. Peace is not the absence of trouble, but the presence of God in the midst of it. Hold fast to the promise that your establishment is forever secure in Him. Let this perfect peace be the last memory you hold before sleep arrives. We move now to the comfort of warm light within a quiet dwelling place. John chapter 15 reminds us of the vital need to remain closely connected. Abide in me, and I in you, as the branch cannot bear fruit of itself, except it abide in the vine. Your strength for tomorrow is rooted entirely in your connection to the source. Without me, ye can do nothing. Therefore, remain close to my side. Pray for the divine strength and the quiet discipline to seek Him first each day. This abiding connection is the wellspring of all true fruitfulness and joy. Let every impulse to pull away be gently countered by His drawing presence. To bear His fruit, you must first rest securely in the vine's embrace. Stay connected now, and let that connection carry you into a night of deep peace. As we conclude, we look to the moonlit symbol of our steadfast hope. Psalm 121 assures us that help comes from the very source of the mountains. I will lift up mine eyes unto the hills, from whence cometh my help. Our help truly comes not from the earth, but from the Creator of all things. The Lord is thy keeper. The Lord shall be thy shade upon thy right hand. May this truth guard you from every potential fear throughout the hours of darkness. He shall keep thy soul. The Lord shall keep thy going out and thy coming in. From this moment until the sun greets you again, you are perfectly covered. Rest now, knowing that the keeper never slumbers or sleeps while you repose. Peace be with you now as you surrender fully to this sacred rest.